Hi, you've probably heard all the buzz around blockchain, but what practical solutions does it offer to your business? Meet a cost-effective and secure alternative which provides certificates of authenticity. Blockchain document sealing by connecting software. We've combined blockchain with what we know best: business applications, software integration, and document management. Encrypt documents in your CRM, SharePoint, or any other app and prove their authenticity and timestamp independently on the fly with one click, or process all of them automatically. The technology we use is 100 times more cost-effective than standard certificates because we bundle seals. Together with our partner, we offer unique features which makes our solution better than the others. Do you need to stay prepared for auditing? You can seal and verify thousands, even millions of invoices, contracts, or anything. Keep it sealed for however long you need, for a fraction of the cost compared to the regular certificates. Plus, it's GDPR compliant. Or maybe you perform research or run tests. Use blockchain document sealing to guarantee so that nobody can manipulate the process and test results. Do you manage production facilities? In Industry 4.0, where machines communicate with each other, you can seal machine reports directly in a business application and prove their validity. Are you a public organization which needs provable communication with citizens? Sealed emails, photos, SMS, faxes, any digital information. Use blockchain document sealing to improve healthcare management. Trusted sealing can be used to control counterfeit drugs. In addition, healthcare institutions can exchange data records from laboratories, hospitals, doctors, and nurses, being sure that the documents are correct. Patients will appreciate that. Increase the transparency and trust in your business with a disruptive technology that is here to stay. With a more efficient, cheaper verification process, and a return on investments which is guaranteed. Contact us to find out what advantages blockchain document sealing can bring to your business.